Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sarah. In this video I'm going to be doing unbagging of my Ipsy for March. So if you're interested, keep watching and let's do it. Alright, this is my Ipsy bag for March. Well, a box for March. Let's open her up and see what we got. This is what it looks like. Ta-da! Falling apart. Alright, let's see what we got, girls. So this is the bag for the March. I will see. We got a little card. It says Stronger Together, March 2021. It's about equality. It's about women standing together. We're holding hands, standing together like we should. We should be lifting each other up, girls. Alright, so the first item I pick up is from Oprah. I love me some Oprah. So this says nothing says spring like a fresh peachy blush, and this neutral peach blush formula delivers just the right amount of gorgeous peachy pink color. The bake formula goes on super smooth, never looks cakey, and lasts all day. So this is a blush, girls. This value is $29. Let's open her up. It says Bellini liquid to baked and smoothing blush. Standard Oprah packaging. Let's open her up. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. I love me some blushes. I love that. Oh, it feels so creamy. Creamy, creamy, creamy. Can't wait to play with that. Alright, so the next item I pick up is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I love me some Anastasia, girl. This says it's in the shade Oyster. It is a highlighter. Cruelty-free, girl. Vegan. It says this is a lightweight gel-like highlighter. It's infused with light reflecting opal pigments. Can be used on your face and body to give skin the most radiant, dewy glow. For a soft glow, apply 2 pearl-sized drops into the high points of your face and blend using your fingers. So the retail for this product is $25. Yes, girl. Is this new? Because I haven't heard of it. I don't know. Tell me if y'all had this product before. That's gorgeous. Look at that. Can y'all see that shimmer? That's so pretty. Oh my gosh, that's gorgeous. Alright, the next product I pick up is from Complex Culture. This is a highlighter duo. It says, get a naturally glowy lit from within look with this luxurious, smooth, and creamy powder highlighter. It goes on sheer with a wet shine finish that blends out for a perfect dewy effect. Use a highlighter or powder brush to lightly sweep this onto the high points of your face. So, girl, let's see what she looks like. Oh, the packaging is so pretty. I'm a sucker for packaging. Look at that, how cute. It's plastic. It's got a gold rim around it. It's got a nice mirror. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. Y'all, I'm be lit this summer. Yes. Let me swatch both of them. Yes, this is so pretty. Look at that. Look at that shimmer. That's so pretty, and it felt so luxurious, girl. Yes. So the next item I pick up is from Florence by Mills. This is a brand that I don't think it gets enough hype. This is, let's see what it says. It says a lip oil. It's Banish Dry Lips for Good with this ultra hydrating lip oil. It uses nutrient-rich African mango butter and Paracris flour to nourish, heal, and give your lips a hint of juicy shine. I love lip oils. I love lip balms. I love everything that is for my lips. It says it's vegan and cruelty-free. Swipe it on whenever your lips are in need of moisture. Let's see what it smells like. I don't smell anything. That's okay though. I ain't mad at it. I ain't mad at it. So this one is, the retail is $14. All right, the last thing I pick up out of this bag is called Vineyard Surrey. It's from Color Rain. Oh, they got some good eyeshadow palettes. This is an indie brand. This says vegan, cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, 12-month shelf life. Let's see what it says, girls. It says, from soft, subtle washes of color to bold, smoky eyes, this palette was designed to do it all. The 4 shimmer and 2 matte shades and vibrant berries and wearable neutrals can create an endless array of eye looks. So let's see what it looks like. Really nice packaging. It's very small, very petite. It's very tiny, girls. But it doesn't matter about the size, right? Sometimes. But this is the shades. Really pretty, really pretty. A lot of purples. You got warm tones. What's the little cool tones? Really pretty, really pretty. Let me swatch one of the mattes and then one of the shimmers. Very pigmented. Very good color payoff. So I can't wait to try this palette out, because I don't have enough of that brand. I don't have enough of that brand. So that was all of the products for my March Ipsy bag. So let's see. Let me add that up and see what we got, girlfriends. Let's see. We had the Oprah Pressed Blush, which was $29. Then we had the ABH Highlighter, which was $25. And then we had the Complex Culture Highlighter Duo, which is $30. And then we had the Florence by Mills Lip Oil, which was $14. And then we had the Color Rain eyeshadow palette, which was $22, and that brought us to $120. So this box is a $25 box. If y'all are interested in Ipsy, I do have a link in my description box below. So what do y'all think about the products I got? Do y'all like them? Have y'all tried any of the products? Let me know. Let's talk below, girls. Let's see. So this is, I don't know if this is added on, but this is some of their refreshments. So I don't know if this was sent to me as a side. But this was in the box also, but I know it's not in the March box. This is the Luxe 5-blade razor kit. So it comes with the razor, it has a little wall mount, and then it comes with 2 refills. So that is the razor kit. It also, our Ipsy also sent me the Pillowy Shave Cream. This is in Citrus Spritz. So that's something also I received in my box. But this is the end of the video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Until next time, y'all stay blessed, guys.